Are you a homeowner dreaming of a beautiful outdoor space but worried about the harsh elements? Introducing our residential terrace roofing contractors, the perfect way to enhance your home and lifestyle. Our expert contractors specialize in creating stunning, durable roofing systems that protect your terrace from rain, sun, and wind. With our innovative designs, you can enjoy your outdoor space in any weather, extending your living area and adding value to your property. We offer a range of customizable options to suit your specific needs and style preferences. Our team of skilled professionals handles every aspect of the project, from initial design to final installation. We use only the highest quality materials and cutting-edge techniques to ensure your terrace roof is built to last. With a terrace roof from our expert contractors, you'll not only protect your outdoor furniture and flooring, but also create a versatile space for entertaining, relaxing, or even working from home. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation and start transforming your terrace into the perfect year-round retreat you've always wanted. To know more the details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.